entertainment news. Primetime queen Marian Rivera hails as the Best Actress at the 20th Cinemalaya Independent Film Festival following her Balota performance. More of this entertainment news from Sam Martos.
Let's step into the world of entertainment for our showbiz news. Actress Marian Rivera became emotional in her speech after winning award as Best Actress of the recently concluded 20th Cinemalaya Independent Film Festival 2024. At the recently concluded 20th Cinemalaya Independent Film Festival, primetime queen Marian Rivera won acclaim for her performance in the film Balota. Marian was recognized for her role as teacher who risked her life to protect the remaining ballots. Due to her unique performance here, she's one of those presented as the Best Actress of Cinemalaya 2024.
Sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Cinemalaya, maraming pong salamat sa inyo. To my GMA family, thank you. Direk Kit, umpisa pa lang ng shooting natin, ramdam ko ang 100% na makitiwala mo sa kakayaan ko kung paano ko i-RT si Teacher Emmy. So thank you, Direk Kit. Sa lahat ng staff and crew, sa loob ng 6 na shooting days, ramdam ko yung pag-aalala. Thank you. Sa lahat ng mga cast na kasama ko dito, napakahuhusay ninyo.
In addition to Marian, Gabby Padilla was awarded Best Actress for Kono Basho, Pilipi Ganancial received Best Supporting Actor for Tumandok, and Gulay Manong was honored with the Audience Choice Award among others. Meanwhile, Marian was also in the spotlight for her endorsed brand, with her large billboard on EDSA Guadalupe, drawing praise from netizens for her attractiveness. And that's our entertainment news. Once again, I'm Sam Martos.